This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 102 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue, we're finishing off the stand. We're getting the post for him to be supported by, and then putting it aside and not using it for a little while. That's the way it goes. The Robot and the Girl, Bumblebee. There we go. I did quite enjoy that. A prequel, but all good film. Back for more Optimus in Robots in Disguise, 2015. Didn't remember any of that. Chrome Dome. Sounds familiar, but I don't know that I knew him at all. Titans. Ghost of Starscream. That's interesting. I remember there being, T-Rex type beast thing, but obviously not that. Masters. Different version of Optimus again. And not come up with new ones rather than redoing all the old ones. So yes, this is a support and its clamp. Different clamp to all the previous ones that I've built for different figures and partworks. I like it, but I'm not sure that it's terribly secure. It's very plastic. Well, it is plastic. All the other ones have had metal claws. But yeah, so we've got to build this up with a pin and a spring, and then put it onto the post. And then the post is put into the base with a single screw. Is again different. So yeah, I might not be putting the post in with a screw at the moment because for storage that takes up more room than having it sort of flat packed. But we'll get it built and see what it looks like anyway. So let me clear this out of the way and get straight to it. Yes, so here we go. We've got a rod which is surprisingly lightweight. Not much to it. I mean, it doesn't need to be much to it, but yeah, it's lighter weight than the previous ones. Also chrome rather than black, with all the previous ones have been. We've got our screws, which we'll be using or not, as the case may be. And our plastic clip, which is, yeah, very plastic. So that's going to go like that. Held in place with a pin and a spring, which will obviously make it open and close. So we've got to put that in there. Like that. Get that through there, with that going through there as well. Wind up. Wind up, we can get that pushed through. In there. Go through a little bit further than that. Like that. Then we've got our clips that sprung. Doing the job. It's working. That will then just hold onto there. I like that movement. That's better than the pins that you're never actually going to move. So that will work. It's got bits built into here like it's going to clip into certain parts of the torso, probably. So that is that. And that will go into our base hole. Just like so. And that will then work. And that bit will hold him in place wherever it needs to be. Yeah, I like that. What I am going to do is put the screw into the base here, which is nicely threaded. I'm just going to put the screw into there. So if I do want to screw it together at some point. I know where all the bits are. But with that in there like that, I can still just put it in there. If I do want to stand him up briefly, I don't think it really needs to be screwed in place, but I'd rather have the screw there than I can do it if I want to make a more permanent display at some point. Then I know where everything is. But that is that. So, yeah, it's quite nice. This stand has got a transparent sort of tip to it. It's quite nicely finished. But that's the base display finished. It does the job. I'm quite happy with that. And that's another issue finished. So join me next time when we start on the hand. Second hand. Left hand. One of the hands. The other hand that I haven't done. So join me for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.